Hey guys, here is the video book for Rich Dad and Poor Dad. Introduction. Author Kiyosaki says he had two different points of view. One is from Rich Dad and one is from Poor Dad. Author had two dads, one rich dad and one poor dad. One who is very well educated and had PhD, and one who did not even finish his 8th grade. Both men were successful in their careers. But still, one dad struggled financially. The other would become richest in Hawaii. So why are they different? Both offered the author advices, but they did not advise the same things. Both men believed strongly in education, but did not recommend the same course to study. Since author had two dads, he learned from both dads, one from poor dad and one from rich dad. Author did not judge and reject advices. Instead, he was thinking himself and comparing, and then choosing for himself. Both dads had very different points of view about money. For example, one would say, the love of money is the root of all evil. The other would say, the lack of money is the root of all evil. As author had two dads, he would not judge them and come to conclusions and reject him. Instead, he would think, why does he say that? And was curious. One of the reasons the rich gets richer, the poor gets poorer, and the middle classes struggle in debt is that the subject of money is taught at home, not in school. Schools focus on scholastic and professional skills but not on financial skills. This explains doctors, engineers, accountants who earn excellent grades may struggle financially all of their lives. Authors, one dad would say, I can't afford it. Another would say, how can I afford it? When you say, I can't afford it, the brain stops thinking. But when you say, how can I afford it? You put your brain on work to achieve that. He noticed one dad had a habit of putting his brain to sleep when comes financially, and other would put the brain to work. The long-term result was that one dad grew financially stronger and the other weaker. Proper physical exercise increases the chances of health, and proper mental exercise increases your chances for wealth. One dad says, study hard so you can find a good company to work for. The other says, study hard so you can find a good company to buy. One said, when it comes to money, play it safe. Don't take risk. The other said, learn to manage risk. Both dads paid bills on time, yet one paid his bills first while the other paid his bills last. One dad believed in a company or the government taking care of you and your needs. He was always concerned about pay raises, retirement plans, medical benefits, sick leaves, vacation days, and other perks. He loved the idea of job protection for life, and job benefits seemed more important. The other believed in total financial self-reliance. He spoke out against the entitlement mentality and how it created weak and financially needy people. One dad showed him how to write an impressive resume. Other dad taught to write strong business and financial plans so he could create jobs. At the age of 9, the author decides to listen to his rich dad. Author says money is one form of power, but what is more powerful is financial education. Money comes and goes, but if we have education about how money works, you gain power over it and can begin building wealth. The lessons are meant not to be answers, but guideposts that will assist you and your children to grow wealthier, no matter what happens in the world of increasing change and uncertainty. This was the introduction part of Rich Dad and Poor Dad. For more chapters and such video books, subscribe to my channel and click on the notification icon. Thank you.